takeoff flaps?
I always do. You don't really have to. I just do it. I like it coming off the ground a little sooner.
You guys move back a little bit. Why are you
Yeah.
not standing over there? I can't see shit.
Sorry, Master Frank.
Over there.
That better?
That's much better. Alright, let's go.
Alright, I'll go first, I guess?
Yeah.
Channel clear. Gear down, gear up, flaps up.
Yeah.
Normal. Kind of.
This is noisy, Frank. Or is that Nate? That's Nate.
Yeah, I got that stuck in there.
Sorry. Let me come up with another song.
And just pop topped it.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Pulling up. And with it. Oh!
I saw you.
We're gonna do any touch and goes, guys? Or what?
Yeah, we have to. That's the most fun.
I'm gonna try coming.
There's no wind. Go right to left. Left to right doesn't matter.
Gear down, landing flaps.
There's 0 wind right now. I'm way the hell back there.
That sun, though. You gotta be careful. Nate, you wanna move back a little bit?
Huh?
Move back a little
Up,
bit.
gear up.
That sun is right where you do not want it to be.
Right.
Annoying.
So I'm with you.
Sorry.
Gear
all
down,
right.
landing
Oh,
flaps.
man.
I'm with you.
I'm gonna be further south.
Okay.
Oh, man, this is coming hot.
I think we got wind again.
Barely.
Flaps up.
No, it just went fast. I don't know what happened.
I'm not coming in hot. That's a pilot problem y'all got.
Landing flaps, gear down.
Let's see if I can
Try to.
come up with young blood here. Oh, yeah, he's right.
It was just us.
Flaps up, gear up.
Thanks for the shade there, Nate. Because you kept it from blinding me at the right time.
Now I'll do what I want.
Oh, see, now you're doing it.
Landing flaps, gear down.
I should catch up to you, Frank. I'm coming pretty quick.
30 seconds. Flaps up, gear up. Gear down, landing flaps.
God, I kind of miss these old hawk days.
I know, that's what I love the most about Bayside. We'd all fly together and do hawks at the same time.
9, 8,
Whoa!
7,
There we go. Nate and I are doing tandem.
5, 4,
That was good.
2, 1. Time expired.
Yeah, stay in landing config, then we can all stay together.
Okay.
No flinching. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. I'm walking out a little bit.
I'm going to be further south.
Okay, I'm going to be closest to us. Oh, that's me. I'll be a little ahead of you. There we go. All right, Nate, next time take center line, okay?
Okay, sorry.
That's crazy. That was cool, though.
Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Come on.
That's perfect. And if we stagger just the way we did it,
It'll be
everyone's
perfect.
got a lot of room.
Yeah.
I'll stay center line.
Okay, yeah, so I'll be closest to us.
I'm going to be further south.
All right.
I'm here. Where the hell is everybody?
I'm right there. I'm with Nate. It's all right. We got it.
I'm gonna stay down. Something wasn't right. I was turning. Alright, I stayed down. Something wasn't right.
Okay.
I didn't trust it.
Looks like it's just me and
It's
you.
me and you. That was cool though.
That three, that was good.
And we just held our line and we did good.
All right.
I don't know if I hit a weird wind copy.
You did. That's all it was probably.
All right, wait.
I'm with you.
I seem to be fine.
All right, we're coming in. Touch and go. Where the hell are you?
I'm right there. What are you talking about? There it is. We hit it again. Whoa, shit. Sorry. That was something weird happened the last minute.
Gear up.
Yeah, I just hit a weird wind.
Gear
Wind's
down.
fine.
My gear's fine though.
Yeah, I just didn't want to risk it.
All right.
It was a.
Where the hell are you guys?
I'm right behind you. What are you worried about? Right there. See, I'm right on you. See? Right on you. I was trying to look at that real jet. That was the issue. Oh, my canopy's off.
Is that you off-roading, Ray?
Yeah, because my canopy's off. Let me tap it back down and keep going. Okay, keep doing what you're doing, guys. I'll come with you. Keep coming. Keep coming, guys. I'll be out of your way.
No, you were way here.
Go, go. I'm out of your way. Go. See?
I did, because Ray was like right there.
I think I'm going to come
Flaps
on this
up.
one. I'm going to land on this one, guys.
2 minutes over.
Right there, behind you.
Landing flaps.
That's me.
Down low.
All in closer. And I'll stay off the side. I'll touch down early.
Use every
Flaps
bit of
up.
runway.
Alright, I'll be clear.
Listen to our motors.
Nice flying, guys.
Yes, that was fun.
Shoot, 21.1. All right.
Yeah, we got to come in. This will be it. Oh, we got wind blowing that way again. Feel it? I'm going around.
Yeah, I did not have any room to turn around.
I don't have any either, but I'm doing it anyway because I'd have gone off the end. There, I'm right here. I see you. I see you.
Oh.
That's my light pack.
Oh.
That's my 30C.
That was a good
Flaps
one.
up.
And you flared right at the right second. It's like, it feels like it's coming faster and you just touchdown.
Nope, she's going to stop right now.
3 minutes over.
All right, that was fun. I
20.9.
thought for sure that I tore out my gear.
All the way back this time.
Yes. What pack is that? What pack is it?
It's a 4,000.